Hi guys, welcome back. Guys, this reading is going to be for my Sagittarius. We'll see what's in store for you in your love life. We'll see your energy, your person's energy, and what's the most probable outcome. Where is this heading to? Okay. So, guys, keep in mind that these are general readings. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you. So, take whatever resonates and leave the rest. And if you're a cross watcher, you can switch the energies, reverse the roles as it suits you. Okay, so for personal readings you can always get in touch with me. All my details are mentioned below in the description box. If you have just one or two query to know the most probable outcome or to know the outcome for your situation, you can always get in touch with me. Okay, I do email readings and I do readings on phone too, so you'll get all the details below. All right, so let's see, Sagittarius, what do we have in store for you? We'll see your energies right now. Yeah. 7 of Cups, Page of Cups, Strength. Okay. Sagittarius, some of you, I feel that you have lost a connection recently. Okay, a connection that you were very hopeful about. This is like a beautiful relationship. I see you in a place of loss where you are mourning over somebody who just left you, or this could be things just didn't work out. See, we have the 7 of Cups, Page of Cups and Strength. Like you're trying to be you're trying to gather yourself up, you're trying to be strong, but you are not. Like you're literally in pain right now. And some of you, I think you had options, and there is one you were very hopeful about but it did not work, and now I think you're choosing somebody else. Okay, I see you finally making a choice. Like you were stuck, you didn't know who to choose, but I see that you finally made a choice and you're choosing somebody and you're moving forward with this person. All right, maybe because the person that you were very hopeful about, things just didn't work with that person. Okay, so you see this person here, this person is picking up whatever was left and they're moving on. See, Page of Cups, this cup is empty. Can you see this? So okay, so this is your current situation. We'll see what is your person feeling, and then yeah, 5 of Pentacles, the Devil and 7 of Swords. Who are you dealing with, Sagittarius? I see you dealing with a player. This is a trickster, somebody who lied to you, somebody who has been dishonest. Taurus, not Taurus, I'm so sorry. Maybe some of you are dealing with a Taurus. I don't know why I said that. Okay, because see, we have the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy here. We have a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius here. So you could be dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or this could be Capricorn. Okay, so Sagittarius, I feel that this is somebody who feels that you left them, you have abandoned them. This is somebody who is not very happy while not being with you. Okay, this is somebody who may have chosen somebody else over you, but then they are not happy there either. Okay, Sagittarius, this is somebody who is trying to move on with somebody but not happy. They are still attached to you. We have the Devil here, so this person definitely has some addictions too. Maybe I see a lot of attraction towards you, Sagittarius. This person has a lot of attraction towards you. They have a desire to be with you. They have a desire to be back with you. Okay, this is somebody who definitely played. See, 7 of Swords. This person played you and now they're going to get played. See, you see, this is somebody, you know what I see, this person is going to get cheated by somebody else. Like whatever they did to you is going to happen to this person very soon. Do you see this person falling in this trap? Look at this foot, look at his right foot. This person doesn't know that he has chosen a wrong person or she has chosen a wrong person. They are going to fall right the way you have fallen down, Sagittarius. Okay, so somebody has made a wrong choice. This is your person, Sagittarius, and they are going to fall just the way you did. Okay, they are going to be in the same place where you were. Okay, this is somebody who has lied to you. I see a lot of lies involved. This person kept lying to you. This person was not loyal. Forget about being loyal. This is somebody who has a lot of secrets. This is somebody who was not very transparent while they were with you. Okay, lot many things hidden, and you just trusted this person. Like, I see you very innocent, Sagittarius. Okay, I feel that you are very innocent. You have love. I see you love this person like a mother. Okay, or could be a father if you are a male figure. So you literally had a lot of love for this person, but this person, see, I don't know, I feel that this is somebody who has a lot of addictions too. Okay, this is somebody who has a lot of addictions. I'm getting that message, addictions internally. So maybe you're dealing with somebody who has addictions, maybe because of which they're used to, doing all these things that they have done with you, Sagittarius. Okay, so let's see, what are you thinking about them now? We'll see your mind frame. We'll see what are you thinking about this person, Sagittarius. I'm not getting any cards today, Sagittarius. What's happening? Okay, finally, I got, no, I got just one card, I think. Yeah. I see you in a place, Sagittarius, where you don't trust this person. Okay, you don't trust this person anymore. And just a sec, we'll clarify what is this Nine of Wands. The Chariot here. The Chariot is in reverse. And I've got two more cards exactly. That is the Six of Pentacles and Ten of Cups. Sagittarius, I see you moving on. I think you have realized that there's nothing left in this connection, and I see you moving on. See, it is like I don't see you very optimistic about this person anymore. It's like this person has hurt you so much so that I feel that you don't want them anymore, and I see you moving on. I see a Ten of Cups here, so definitely I see there is somebody else. This could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces for some of you. This could be with the Chariot, Cancer again. This could be, yeah, so some of you, I feel that you're moving on, like there is somebody else in your life. This could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and you have chosen somebody else over this person. It's like I see you moving on. It's like at least I see you putting efforts in this new connection. Okay, it is like, see, you had choices, Sagittarius. I don't deny that. I know that you had choices and you have made your choice and you're moving forward. Okay, so there was, you felt ignored. You felt that this person did not give you the time, the love that you needed in this connection, and I see you moving forward. See, if you see the Six of Pentacles here with the Chariot reverse, see, you're moving on. Okay, and I see you moving on. Some of you, you are going to get married to this person with the Ten of Cups. Like, I literally see marriage. Okay, maybe you have chosen somebody else over this person, and I see marriage. This is something, this is a strong connection, Sagittarius. I think this is divinely sent in your life, and you may get married to this person. At least a long-term commitment. Okay, if you don't want to marry, that's your choice, but at least a long-term commitment. Okay, with the Ten of Cups here. So let's see what happened between you and this person in the past, Sagittarius. We'll see what happened in the past. We have Hangman and Four of Wands. Then, okay, we have three more cards. Oh my god, so many cards. Okay, let me put it back and start again. So I think for some of you, I feel that you met this person after many years. Okay, could be Like this is somebody, this could be a colleague of yours, this could be a friend of yours, or an ex of yours. Like you were, for some of you, I think this is somebody who is connected to your past. This person may have come in your life after many years. Universe brought you together. Things were very beautiful in the start, but all of a sudden things got stuck. It's like something just stopped. Okay, no forward movement. You see, we have the Four of Wands. I see reconciliation, but things just stopped all of a sudden. Okay, with the Hangman. So let's see their energies. What did they do to you in the past, Sagittarius? What did this person do to you in the past? Okay, Ace of Cups, Wheel of Fortune, Knight of Cups. This is somebody who had love for you. Okay, they had love for you, but maybe this person chose somebody else. Like this is somebody, as I said, with the Seven of Swords energy, this is somebody who likes to, they cannot stay committed to one person. That's the message I'm getting internally, Sagittarius. Okay, this is somebody who cannot stay stuck with one person, and they have love for you. I won't deny. With the Knight of Cups, they had the desire to be with you. They had the desire, but somehow I think they changed overnight. Something changed. Maybe the equation between both of you changed. Alright, this is somebody who chose somebody else. Like there was some other love offer that they were getting from somewhere else, and this person chose that person over you. Okay, this is what I feel. This person chose somebody else over you, Sagittarius. They had love for you. I won't deny. See, Ace of Cups, they had love for you, but then they had some other option, and they felt that that is the right person, and they wanted to explore that connection, and they chose that person, Sagittarius. Okay, that is why, see, I see you in this energy of Nine of Wands, where you're so much hurt, you're pain, you're bruised internally. See, Hangman, I think you've had a very difficult past, Sagittarius. Maybe, you know, some lonely nights, you may have cried for this person. Could be that you were going through depression. Okay, you had some big expectations from this person, and this person did this to you. I'm so sorry for this, Sagittarius. Yeah. Okay, so let me see. So let's see what's coming up next for you, Sagittarius. We'll see the future energy. What's coming up next for my Sagittarius? Okay, we have the Five of Swords, Princess of Cups. Okay, so many cards. I'll take all four as it is, Sagittarius. We have the Five of Swords, Princess of Cups, the Sun, and King of Cups reverse. Okay, just a sec. I have all these reverse here, so I'll take it as it is. Five of Swords with the Princess of Cups. Sagittarius, I think that you're moving on. You're moving on because you don't see any potential in this connection. King of Cups, you have love. I won't deny it. Some of you, you still have a desire to be with this person at times, because I see you missing them. I see you miss them at times, but somehow, see, Five of Swords, Princess of Cups, the Sun, and King of Cups all in reverse. I see you giving up on a connection, Sagittarius. It's like I don't see you putting efforts in this connection anymore. Okay, this is somebody you don't want any more drama in your life. You don't want anyone to play with your feelings. You don't want anybody to hurt you again. You don't want, basically you just don't want the Seven of Swords. You don't want a player in your life, which is why I feel that you're dropping this person. This is your energy, Sagittarius. Okay, so as far as what's coming up next for you is concerned, I don't see you putting effort on this person. See, I already see you choosing somebody else. With the Seven of Cups here and Ten of Cups, you have chosen somebody else already, Sagittarius. Okay, so let's see what are their energy. What is this person going to do next? We'll see what is this person going to do next, Sagittarius. We'll see their energies for you. Yeah, Six of Swords. Okay, I've got 4 cards exactly for them too. So let's see. We have the Six of Swords, 10 of Cups, 8 of Cups, 7 of Cups. Sagittarius, this is somebody. I see them coming back. This is somebody. You know what I feel, Sagittarius? This is somebody who had options and they have chosen you, but then they are not sure whether you will accept them again or not. Okay, this is somebody with the Six of Swords. They left you for somebody else, but they are, the Six of Swords is in reverse. So this is somebody who left you for somebody else. They may have moved away from you, but then they want to come back. They want to come back and marry you with the Ten of Cups. They want to be with you, Sagittarius. This person with the Seven of Cups in reverse, they have see, you have chosen somebody else, they have chosen you, but they are going to come and approach you for sure, but I don't see you accepting them back. Okay, so I don't know. See, this is a general reading. The outcome is going to be different for different of you, but this is somebody who is going to come and try. You know, they want to give it a try. So they will try to come back. They will try to crack a conversation. They will act as if they are trying to get in touch with you, just like a friend. You know, they will not show that they are coming back with a desire to have you in their life. This is somebody who would try to crack a conversation with you, and they know they are guilty. I don't see them guilty though. No, so I don't see them guilty. So Six of Swords, 10 of Cups, 8 of Cups, 7 of Cups. This is somebody who's going to come back, Sagittarius. Okay, this is somebody who's going to come back, but I don't know. I see you dropping this person. I see you that you have chosen somebody else already because you don't want a player in your life. But one thing is for sure, Sagittarius, this is somebody who may be a player, but they are very genuine. Like, their emotions for you is very genuine. They really love you. I see them having this deep connection with you, and this is because this is a divine connection. With the 10 of Cups here, I definitely feel that this is a divine connection, which is why you know, you both are thinking about each other constantly. Like, energetically you are in their mind, they are in your mind. Okay, this person is coming back for sure, Sagittarius. See, if we have the 8 of Cups reverse, 10 of Cups, 6 of Swords reverse, they may have chosen somebody else, but then they are ready to leave that person for you. But I don't see you in this place where you will accept them again. Okay, so maybe you may, for some of you, because it's a general reading, but I see you in this energy, 5 of Swords. Okay, so yeah, so let's see what else do we'll see the challenges, Sagittarius. Let's see what are the challenges for you. We'll see the challenges for you. Yeah, so we have the Prince of Cups. Okay, this is the challenge for you. The challenge is to accept this person back. The challenge is to forgive this person. Would you want to forgive this person, Sagittarius? This is like universe is telling you, give them a chance. Like, you know, I don't know whether, I don't see you in this place where you will forgive them, but this is the message for you. This is a challenge. Will you accept them back? Like, universe is giving you a message that give them a chance, give them a second chance if they come back. Okay, with the Prince of Cups, let me see, I'll have one more card to clarify this. King of Wands and the Devil. Sagittarius, this means that you both are connected, Sagittarius, on a soul level. Maybe you both are connected from past life, or for some of you this could be that you are twin flame. For the others of you, maybe you are soulmates. You may have spent many lives in the past. It's like, you know, there is this invisible cord between both of you. Even if you try to break this bond, you will still be attached to this person for life energetically, Sagittarius. Okay, that's the message. So for some of you, the challenge is to put efforts on this connection. Like, this is the advice, the message that I'm getting here. I know some of you, you will say that you don't want a player anymore, you are done with this person. That's fine, that's your choice. But this is a challenge, like this is like an advice that I see. The message that I'm getting internally, Sagittarius, it is like you are asked to forgive this person, and you are being asked to give them a chance. Give them a chance, because this is somebody, you know, they may be a player, but for you, this is a very pure soul. Like, they may come across as a Seven of Swords energy, somebody who may have put you here, this, whatever they did to you, Sagittarius, they are a good soul. So you're being asked to forgive them. Now, this is a challenge. I know that many of you, you will write down that you don't want a player anymore, or you will be like, I'm done. But this is just an advice, so I'm just saying that, okay? So, your choice, Sagittarius. Now, we'll see how does this person view you as, how do they see you as, Sagittarius. We'll see what does this person view you as, how do they see you as. Okay, Alchemist. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is somebody who sees you as a magician, or this could be a fairy. This is somebody who feels that you're divinely guided. You have the knowledge, you have all four arcanas, you have all four energies with you. You see, you have the pentacles, you have the swords, you have the cups, and you have the wands. They feel that you have a lot of knowledge. You are somebody who has a very good personality, number one. Number two, you have a lot of knowledge. They feel that you have, see, the fields may differ because it's a general reading, but wherever you are, whatever you have been doing, they feel that you have a lot of knowledge about whatever you are good at, or whatever you have been doing all these years, okay? This person feels that you're divinely guided. You have a lot of knowledge that they really admire in you, okay? And they feel that you can literally read them. They feel that you can literally see through them. They feel that you have a magical personality, Sagittarius. So they admire this about you, okay? So this is how they view you as. This is somebody who feels that you can manifest whatever you want. It's like whatever you want can happen. So they see you having a magical personality, Sagittarius. So some of you, maybe you are highly intuitive, you could be very spiritual, or you're somebody who is at a very good position in whatever you have been doing all these years, Sagittarius, okay? Yeah. We have the Hierophant and Prince of Wands. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. The Tower and Strength. See, this is somebody who still wants to work on you. This is somebody who sees you as the one they can marry. They feel that, you know, this is somebody who feels that you are the right kinds for marriage. Okay, with the Hierophant here, Prince of Wands. This is somebody who wants to work on this connection, Sagittarius. See, we have the Strength. This is somebody who is going through a lot. Like, they are going through this emotional loss internally, Sagittarius, okay? They still want you. Like, this, they cannot deny it. They still want you, Sagittarius. So, last three cards, Sagittarius. We'll see what else do we have for you. Who are they dealing? Who are you dealing with? Who are you dealing with, Sagittarius? Okay, so most of you, I think you're dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Most of you, I see you dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This could be an Aries, and this could be Aries, Leo, Saggy. Yeah. So for most of you, I see Gemini, Libra, Aquarius too for some of you. So yeah, you could be dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Saggy. And for some of you, I do see Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, okay? So these sun signs are prominent here. So now Taurus, let's, I'm so sorry, I again said Taurus. Maybe most of you, you're dealing with a Taurus, Sagittarius. So let's see what messages do we have for you, Sagittarius. Sagittarius, we'll see what messages do we have for you. We'll see some messages for you. Okay, the first is, I want us to be friends only. For some of you, this person feels that they want to be friends with you, okay? So maybe they have realized that it's difficult to have you back in their life, so they want to be friends with you. For the others of you, if you are single and you are knowing somebody else, maybe you like somebody else, but that person wants to be friends with you as of now, okay? This is for singles too. This message is for singles too. So let's see, Sagittarius, what else do we have for you? Third party involved. I told you this is like a clear confirmation that your person is involved with a third party, okay? This is so straight. So let's see, which is why I think you have left this person, Sagittarius, okay? So let's see what else do we have for you. I think this wants to come. Totality. Sagittarius, this is trying to tell me that some of you, as I said, you're going to meet a new person very soon. This could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, okay? This could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Sun signs really don't matter, but this is something very strong. This could be an Aries, could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn also. So this is telling me that you're going to be in a beautiful relationship very soon. You will feel complete with this person. This is somebody who will fulfill all the expectations that you have from this person, okay? This is somebody who will complete you in every way, emotionally, okay? In whichever way, you know, whatever you desire, Sagittarius, you're going to find in this person, okay? I see somebody new coming in your life, and this is somebody sent for you, okay? Universe is going to send somebody new in your life, and you're going to be very happy with this person. You'll feel complete with this person, Sagittarius, okay? So I'll see if I have any other message for you, Sagittarius. Keep an open mind. Some of you, you're being asked to keep an open mind. Maybe you have certain expectations of how this person should be. So this person may differ from your usual expectations, and see, they will be very good for you, but they may differ. So you're being asked to keep an open mind. So that is one. And I don't trust you. Sagittarius, whoever you're dealing with, this person doesn't trust you. They feel that you have moved on. They see, maybe this person sees you moving on, or maybe this is somebody who knows that you have moved on, all right? So they don't trust you. This is their feeling, Sagittarius. Ripeness. For some of you, I think this is too new. Maybe you have met this person. I said you have chosen somebody else, and that relationship is at a very initial phase, Sagittarius, okay? So things are going to grow, okay? Things are going to grow, and very soon you will be in the 10 of Pentacles or 10 of Cups energy, like, okay, you're going to get married to this person. This is going to be a beautiful relationship for you, Sagittarius, okay? So that was that, guys. I really hope this helps and resonates, and if this does, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do let me know how did this resonate. And thank you so much, guys. Thanks for watching. You guys take care, be safe, bye.